Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. In this part, I want to talk about lettuce and its benefits. Lettuce is an annual plant of the family Astraceae, mostly grown as a leaf vegetable. The leaves are most often used raw in green salads, although lettuce is also seen in other kinds of food, such as sandwiches, wraps, and soups. It can also be grilled. Its stem and seeds are sometimes used. Ciltus is one variety ground for its stem, which are eaten either raw or cooked. In addition to its main use as a leafy green, it has also gathered religious and medicinal significance over centuries of human consumption. Europe and North America originally dominated the market for lettuce. But by the late 20th century, the consumption of lettuce had spread throughout the world. In 2023, world production of lettuce was 28 million tons, led by China with 53% of the total. Generally grown as a hardy annual, lettuce is easily cultivated, although it requires relatively low temperatures to prevent it from flowering quickly. It can be plagued by numerous nutrient deficiencies, as well as insect and mammal pests, and fungal and bacterial diseases. Lettuce's native range spreads from the Mediterranean to Siberia, although it has been transported to almost all areas of the world. Plants generally have a height and a spread of the world. Plants generally have a height and a spread of 15 to 30 centimeters or 6 to 12 inches. The leaves are colorful, mainly in the green and red color spectrums, with some variegated varieties. There are also a few varieties with yellow, gold, or blue teal leaves. Lettuces have a wide range of shapes and textures, from the dense heads of the iceberg type to the notched, scalloped, freely or roughly leaves of leaf varieties. Lettuce plants have a root system that include a main taproot and smaller secondary roots. Some varieties, especially those found in the United States and Western Europe, have long, narrow taproots and a small set of secondary roots. Longer taproots or more extensive secondary systems are found in varieties from Asia. Raw lettuce is 96% water, 3% carbohydrates, and contains negligible protein and fat. In a reference amount of 100 grams, lettuce supplies 14 calories and is a rich source of more of the vitamin K with no other micronutrients in significant content. In lettuce varieties with dark green leaves, such as romaine, vitamin A contents are appreciable due to the presence of the provitamin A compound and beta-carotene. Dark green varieties of lettuce also contain moderate amounts of calcium and iron. The edible spine and ribs of the lettuce plant supply dietary fiber, while macronutrients are contained in the leaf portion. Now, I will explain some of the benefits of lettuce. Number 1. Benefits of lettuce during pregnancy. Eating lettuce during pregnancy has many benefits for maintaining the health of pregnant mothers and the fetus in the mother's womb. Among the benefits of lettuce during pregnancy are things such as preventing birth defects in babies, reducing cholesterol levels in pregnant mothers, improving cholesterol levels in pregnant mothers, and improving digestion of food in pregnant mothers, improving the quality of sleep of pregnant mothers, improving digestion of food in pregnant mothers, reducing inflammation in the body, and preventing breast cancer and leukemia in pregnant mothers, fighting microbial infections during pregnancy, reducing anxiety and stress in pregnant women, strengthening the immune system of pregnant mothers, and strengthening the nerve cells in the body of pregnant women. Number 2. Benefits of lettuce for skin. Among the benefits of lettuce is that it contains vitamin A and increases blood circulation in the skin of the face, and in addition, the fiber in lettuce can help make the skin of the face bright and fresh. Lettuce can also be a good option for preventing and treating acne with the help of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B. Lettuce can act as a natural sunscreen for the skin with the help of vitamin C. Also, cooked lettuce, poultices, and compresses are a good treatment option for treating sunburn. Number 3. Lettuce benefits for blood pressure and diabetes. The high levels of potassium in lettuce can help lower blood pressure levels and thus prevent heart disease. Lettuce has a low glycemic index and can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. In addition, lettuce is rich in anti-diabetic carotenoids that reduce blood glucose levels and can be effective and beneficial for treating diabetes. At the last part of this video, I want to tell you about lettuce side effects that are important to know. Lettuce has many unique benefits, but it may also have side effects. Consuming lettuce may cause allergies and sensitivities in some people. Excessive consumption of lettuce can cause side effects such as decreased sexual power, forgetfulness, poor eyesight, and bloating. Lettuce may also aggravate prostate and glaucoma diseases. Due to its high levels of vitamin K, lettuce may interact with blood thinning medications such as warfarin. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about lettuce, ask in the comment section. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.